Okay guys, I'm just gonna do this quick diagnostics on this one. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relays of those 24 volt DC. The ones that I have is unfortunately only 12 volt DC, so I have a bunch of them, but I need 24 volt DC, otherwise it's not gonna work properly. So unfortunately I don't know if I can get it done today. I want to, but I don't think I can, just because I really don't have the right relays. But that's not a really big issue, because I can get those relays within a day or so, so I'm not really worried about it. Just wanna see what I'm dealing with here. This control board should come out. It's like 9 p.m. already and I'm still working. I just kind of want to finish my day. Today it's a very long day for me. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, so okay, let's get this one out. Sandwich board, but it's doesn't want to come out that easy. So, okay, good. I got this one out. Boom, perfect. Okay, I will do the quick testing on those relays, but I have to order them. I don't have anything like that, unfortunately. Too bad. But it's 24 volt. Let's see. Okay. This coil seems to be off. 0.7 kilo ohms. 0.7. So, and then we have another 2 on this side. 1.3 and 1.4. Yeah, I think there's some problems with those. It's 24 volts DC. Okay, so I just put 24 volt DC output, and now I'm going to test those guys. Ooh, wow. Okay. Okay, so this relay is definitely bad, as you saw. Boom. Yeah, it gives me a little boom there and here. Yeah, so this is one bad relay for sure, this one. And let's see this guy. Yeah, so we have one bad relay, but with those boards, as you probably see my videos and stuff like that, customer complained, and actually I know what's the issue because I've seen the way the oven operates. Is that the bake and the broiler both, they're not getting power from this board, 240 volts. Now I know for sure that those relays are the one who control the bake and the broiler. There is no indication here, I think, but I don't have the schematics with me, but I want to replace all those 5 relays and to fix the issue 100%. I just need to order them. I don't have, unfortunately, the 24 volt DC. I do have the 12 volt DC. It's same, well, it's a similar relay. It's a little bit smaller, as you can see, but yeah, I need the 24 volt DC. I'll order them today, and they're probably gonna arrive either tomorrow or the next day, and I can get it all fixed up for the customers. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you again, and take care.